Imagine this. One tiny 1-minute move that could transform your body and life. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to the MVP of bodyweight exercises, the plank. It's simple, it's effective, and the best part? You don't need a fancy gym membership or a ton of time to see results. If you're the kind of person who's always too busy for fitness, guilty, the plank is your perfect match. In just 60 seconds a day, you can strengthen your core, improve your posture, and even boost your mood. Stick with me because I'm about to spill the beans on why this move deserves a spot in your daily routine. 1. Core Powerhouse Alert. Let's talk abs, shall we? Planking is like a VIP pass to a stronger, more defined core. And we're not just talking surface-level abs here. Oh no, this baby hits all the layers, your obliques, rectus abdominis, and even those deep muscles you didn't know existed. Experts agree, planks are more effective than crunches. Yes, crunches are officially yesterday's news. 2. Say goodbye to back pain. You know that nagging backache that loves to show up when you least expect it? Planking might just be your secret weapon. Unlike exercises that stress your spine, planks strengthen your back muscles while giving your hips and spine a much-needed break. Bonus, they'll also help you sit and walk like royalty. Posture game equals leveled up. 3. Calorie-Torching Magic. Think a minute of planking is just a blip on your fitness radar? Think again. This isn't just a core move, it's a full-body calorie-burning machine. By engaging multiple muscles at once, you're cranking up your metabolism and burning more calories than you would with traditional AB exercises. And as you build muscle, you'll be burning calories 24/7, even while you Netflix and chill. 4. Balance like a boss. Ever tried standing on one leg and ended up flailing like a windmill? Yeah, we've all been there. Turns out, weak core muscles are to blame. A daily plank habit can fix that, and then some. Suddenly, balancing on one leg or tackling yoga poses feels like a breeze. 5. Mind and mood boosters. Did you know planks are mood-enhancing ninjas in disguise? Yep, they stretch out tension-filled muscles, calm your nerves, and even help with anxiety and stress. After a long, tough day, drop into a plank, breathe, and feel your brain start to chill out. Here's the deal. 1 minute a day can change the game for your body, your mood, and your confidence. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. And hey, if you stick with it for a month, come back and let me know how it went. In the meantime, drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you loved this video, hit that like button, share it with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and fitness fun. Your journey to feeling and looking amazing starts with just one plank. Let's go.